So you can see meat and chicken. I'm about to grill here. Wow, it's so spiced. Wonderful, peppery, tropical rainforest spices all in here. So you can see. I'm going to make some steaks as well as just grill the meat as it is. Wow, in a jiffy. Thanks for watching my cooking corner. I am Arrey Ivo. I'm doing some grilling here. It's chicken. Wow, it's well spiced, you know. And of course, I'm going to put some steaks. See, as you see, it's also going to be here. Well spiced. Tropical rainforest spices. Thank you so much for watching my cooking corner. Replicate at home. I am Arrey Ivo.